Here's problem 4. We want to factor it. Right away, as soon as I see 4 pieces, I know I'm going to have to do it by grouping. That's the only way it's going to work here. So I'm simply, now the other thing I got to be careful of, this has a minus 2y minus 14. I can't just group these together because then that negative sign is going to have to go through to there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change it to plus a negative 2. And now I'm grouping as there's not a problem because that's a plus sign there and nothing has to be distributed through. Group these. Now 3 and 21. A 3 can be factored out. They both have an x, so I factor that out. I'm left behind with a y plus 7 plus, I look here, this was a negative 2y. I'm going to pull out a negative 2. That'll leave behind negative 2 times y will give me the negative 2y. Now 2 and 7 gives you 14, but remember this is minus 14. So I've got to use a plus 7 there because negative 2 times a positive 7 would give you the negative 14 we need. Notice now that I have the 2 common pieces here. So that ends up factoring out, being brought out, and you're left behind then with 3x times the y plus 7. Instead of writing plus negative 2, we're just going to go ahead at this point and write minus 2. So you'll be left with that in this little grouping right here. So we factored out the y plus 7, we were left behind with 3x minus 2. So I've now, this binomial times this binomial will give me that whole 4-piece term, all those terms up there in problem 4. So we factored it down just like we wanted.